Removing the Shopify logo from your website can make it more professional and good looking and even better. How can you do it? Just simple step. You have to log into the Shopify account. Make sure you log into the same account that you made a website on. Just put your credentials or maybe log in with Google and other accounts. After that, go to log into the online store, click on themes. Now you have to edit and customize the theme. You can see on the screen after clicking on the three dots. After that, you can see on the red line, you can see type your powered into the filter items. Here you can see links powered by Shopify, powered by the shop will powered by Shopify. These text, just remove it. Just simple remove it. After removing it, you have to save it. Remember, after saving it, the changes will be saved. If you don't save it and just remove it, remember it will still show the powered by Shopify and stuff. So you have to make it professional. After clearing it, you have to click on save button, or you can add your own custom powered by text. That's up to you. It's almost like WordPress but on steroids. So this was how you can remove a Shopify logo on your account and make it much professional website, and I'll see you in the next one.